Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Probability.
What does the dictionary say?
The relative possibility that an event will occur, as expressed by the ratio of the number of actual occurrences to the total number of possible occurrences.
Math rap.
Can you probably take a wild guess? What is probability? No or yes. Using math to determine what might occur, a calculated guess of what you don't know for sure.
Math rap.
What letter of the alphabet is always guessing? Probability. Define probability in your own words. What's the probability of you sharing your thoughts on probability? What's the probability of rolling a die and having it show the number 5? What's the probability of pulling out an ace of spades from a deck of cards? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!